upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and hit the bell so that you can see anytime I upload, because I do often do surprise uploads. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today we are doing press on nails, because if you've been here at all, you know I'm obsessed with press on nails. So this haul is going to be press on nails and false lashes, because I'm also obsessed with false lashes, and these are all black and white style nails and the lashes that I have scooped up recently. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, because we are going to get to it. I can't stop singing. Anyway, let's go ahead and start with the lashes. I did scoop up a bunch of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes. I have never tried them before. I got them on Sephora. They were on, I don't know what their retail price is. I can look it up. If I don't, put it down below. Go ahead and ask me, but I'm pretty sure I scooped them up for like $8, because I don't think I would pay the retail price, knowing me. So I got 3 different styles. I'm not wearing them right now. I don't know where this particular one is, but I do really like this. So I got Georgina, and I got Dreamy, and I got Demina, and that's all that I got. So I scooped up those. So I tried one and I really like it. So far so good with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes. I wasn't sure what to expect. My very favorite lashes are Lulu Lashes, but they retail for around $30 each. So I've been looking for alternatives, because that's crazy town. Next lash that I got is, I scooped up the House of Lashes times Sephora. I've never tried House of Lashes before. These were also on clearance. All these were on clearance. And I got the style Amelia. To me, bigger the better. I like them bigger the better, but I do like how these sort of fan out even more, because I really like to concentrate the lash on the outer corner of my eye. Haven't tried these yet. If you've tried House of Lashes, any styles or whatever that you like, go ahead and put that down below, because I would like to know. And the last that I scooped up was the Tarte Lashes. It was a collaboration they did with Lele Pons. These were on clearance as well. I think these were $12 maybe. Their lashes are maybe were only $12 to begin with. Again, if I don't put it down below, go ahead and ask me and I'll add the price. I'm seeing if there's no name. It was just with Lele Pons. And these are so big and flirty and fun. Can you see them? Ugh, I love them so much. They're like the biggest lashes ever. Maybe I should take them out. Yeah, there we go. How big and 3D they are. Absolutely love that. So I'm excited to try those, because I have not tried the Tarte lashes. But Tarte is one that are fairly, you know, for someone, I wear false lashes every single day. So for me, this is, you know, an important part of my makeup routine. And their lashes retail at a reasonable price. So I'm excited to try those. On to the press on nails. So these are all of the black and white styles that I have scooped up recently. And let's start with this one. This is more of a recent one. This is called Waterfall, and it's giving me this sort of like 80s, 90s graphic situation with the white and black. I am so excited. I absolutely love these. Next up, we have Night Fever. If you know anything about me, you're going to know this. I'm obsessed with the Bee Gees. Obsessed. Saturday Night Fever, Night Fever, it's all working for me. These are like a shiny patent leather type situation black nail with this geometric iridescent accent situation. It's not actually like a rhinestone. It's more of like a square, like a sticker type thing. So that's those. I also scooped up Text Appeal, which I have been using Impress nails when they were actually Kiss. It was Kiss, then Kiss Impress, and then Impress, okay? And so I will tell you now, they do recycle the names, because Text Appeal used to be a sort of a gorgeous peacocky teal set of nails. So this is their new Text Appeal. And they do have the sort of black French tip with the shimmery accent, and then the rhinestone accent nails. And then I also scooped up Forever is Ever. What?
Stop it. Get some help.
Forever is Ever. That doesn't even make sense. Whatever, but they're cute. Another black and white situation style with sort of that geometric rectangle accent. And last but not least, I scooped up Claim to Fame. These are matte black with this sort of oil slick accent nail in like a silvery to purpley to gray, and they have the detailing on them. So I absolutely love those. So that's what I have for you in lashes and press on nails that are in a like a black and white theme. So if you have these nails and you like them, go ahead and put that down below. If there's a style that you think I should try, go ahead and put that down below, especially when it comes to the lashes. If you want to see any press on nail or lash related videos, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.